welcome.
Thank
Welcome
you.
to our stand.
Thank
How
you.
can I help you?
I just wanted to know what's new at WIBRE.
We have here our new series of our buried uplighter Hero. What you can see here is a buried uplighter. It's IP68 and IP69, and the speciality is it has a tiltable LED board. So we can tilt the LED board towards the wall, but you can do it on site, and we have inside a scale here, what you can see over here, and you can do it on site, tilting. Look here, we're having here a small screw, which we can open. There's a gasket inside. And then we can take a screwdriver here inside, it's a Torx screwdriver, and while working with the screwdriver you can see here the scale is moving down and the LED board is tilting towards horizontal, and now it's getting tilted again. Maximum tilting degree is 20 degrees. So you can easily reach the wall which you want to illuminate or the tree which you want to illuminate. And after you're ready with tilting, to close it again. And this is a special screw. This special screw here is having a U shape. You can see it?
Yes.
This U shape is preventing that this ceiling here is being squeezed away. So if you close this screw again, close it with a certain torque. Now it's IP68, IP69 again. Warranty, and you can install the luminaire inside again. That's it. So then our buried uplighters are available with some accessories. Like you can see here, inside here is a glare shield. This is a 180-degree glare shield. These luminaires are standard-wise dimmable with DALI. So if you're coming now from that side, you cannot see into the LED anymore. So if you're coming around here,
Yes, I will check that.
just half a meter distance, you cannot see into the LED anymore, although it's right now having full function. You can see here it's bright,
Yeah.
but here half a meter.
That's cool.
And we have this available, like shown here, in 180 degree, which is the most commonly used item. Or we can also use it in a square-shaped glare shield. Then we are reaching something like a dark light reflector optic inside. So you have 360-degree glare shield, but you cannot see inside the LED anymore.
Very nice.
So now we are continuing with our pool lights, wall integrated pool lights. Those are the standard ones which we were already having in our product range, starting from 5 watt, 17 watt, 31 watt, 47 watt, up to 120 watt. Those are all built-in lights which are already existing. In addition to the standard luminaire which we were using before for the 25-meter pool, with a power rating of 6,900 lumen worldwide, we are having now a new developed product over here, which is having the same size but 30% higher light output. So instead of 6,000, we're having now 9,100 lumen light output. So I just switch it on. It's very bright.
Yes, it is.
Very, very impressive. What you can see here, this is the wall recessed housing. Inside this housing, the luminaire will be built in, and here the cable is installed inside the wall. Additionally, we're having also one more small spotlight available now in our range. The old version over there was smallest size 5 watt, with about 600 lumen light output. Now we have it available here 3 to 6 watt and with only 60 millimeter diameter, and this is having roughly 380 lumen light output. So this is now completing our range, especially to illuminate stairs or to highlight jacuzzis. For those purposes, this luminaire would be the perfect one. And here you can see again, this is the small wall recessed housing. Those holes which you can see here, those are ventilation holes. Ventilation means the water can float inside, can cool the LED during operation, and the warm water which is heating up behind the luminaire is just naturally floating up and is pulling cold water behind. It's the chimney effect.
Nice to know.
So here you can see how it looks like if these luminaires in different sizes from very large to smaller are installed inside booths.
Wow.
Another range, which is also becoming now very common for pool lighting, is linear wall recessed luminaires. Those wall recessed luminaires can be used either with monochrome LEDs as well as with RGB white LEDs. We're having it available in standard sizes with 17 watts monochrome or 47 watt monochrome. And like you can see here, this is now 55 watt RGB white, which can be used in different programs, different intensities. And now this is dimmed for just for demonstration purpose, the dimmed operation, color changing. And down here we have the same luminaires and the low power version, which is just being can be used for orientation purposes. So that if you want to highlight stairs, then you're switching on those luminaires. Because they are not so glary with this diffused glass in front here.
Yes.
What you can see also here inside, we are using different lenses. Those are symmetrical, round, and those are asymmetrical, beaming downwards. This is a lighting distribution called mixed flux, which is unique for us, for WIBRE. It's also not copied in many by others because they have recognized it's well done. This is it can be used to highlight the water surface, so that you can see what's happening on the water surface, and those LEDs which are shining downwards to the ground are illuminating the ground as well. So if somebody is already underwater, you can see the movements underwater. And what is most important for the daily maintenance, you can see also where the dirt is, because pools have to be cleaned and maintained frequently, day by day. So if you can see where the dirt is, maintenance work can be done easier.
That's true.
So those are the same luminaires which we have had over there for wall recessed installation. We can also use them for surface mounted installation, for instance to highlight fountains. What you can see here are the existing 5 watt, 17 watt, 31 watt up to 120 watt sizes. This luminaire here has a unique design because you cannot see any screws from front side.
Yes, that's true.
For all these luminaires, you cannot see the screws from the front side. And this luminaire has just been done in an upgraded version, also as a news now for this exhibition. I will show you later on.
Okay.
The higher luminaires you can see here in different versions, both monochrome and RGB white. And they are available in the round shape with the bezel here, or also, like you can see here, with the square shape. So it's up to you which floor design or street design you have. And then you can decide if you want to have the square shape all around shape color. So in here we have the news which I mentioned before for this spotlight, which has now been upgraded. Not 8 LEDs inside anymore. Now we're having included 12 LEDs with also a maximum lumen power of 9,100 lumen.
Okay. So it's twice as bright.
Twice as bright as before.
Okay.
Shall be used only underwater, but can illuminate fountains up to 25-30 meters.
Oh, that's bright.
Very bright.
Yes.
Very powerful. So I hope I could help you something about our new products, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can contact us via email or via our website, so please feel free to contact us.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.